Hello, welcome back. What is tokenization passport? That's what today's video is all about. For those of you that are in estate and you don't know what tokenization passport is, this video will explain what it is. Okay, and I will also show you where to access it in the back office. So that being said, let's dive right in and let me show you exactly where to find this, and let's look at what the tokenization passport contains. So very quickly, when you log in into your account, you go to Info Hub tab. When you go to Info Hub tab, select Knowledge Base. When you select Knowledge Base, come down to the bottom right here, you will see where it says Documentation. Select Documentation. When you select Documentation, you will see additional sub tabs here. So click on the one that says Tokenization Passport. When you click on the tokenization passport, you will notice that we have a lot of tokenization passports here. Okay, so this one is the one that contains the asset report. What does that mean? It means you will be able to get all the details that you need for that particular real estate. Okay, so let's click the first one that says Lake House, for example. Okay, so if I click open this one, you will see that this asset report contains 17 pages. For each of these pages, you will see detailed information about this property. It will even tell you the property address and the year the property was bought and who bought the property, and everything that you need to know is on this tokenization report or tokenization passport. Some people call it asset report. So this is where to locate your tokenization passport, and this is where to get the asset report. Through tokenization passport, you will get asset report for all the properties in estate. So I want to leave you here because I need you to go follow this video, go to your back office, locate one out of so many asset reports that we have here, and then look into each of the pages. Okay, I need you to read each of the pages so that you will get familiar with what the asset report is talking about. What is it all about? You need to know, because you are part of estate. You have purchased a property. You want to know more about your property. So this asset report via tokenization passport will allow you to know that. Okay, I hope this video helps you to learn how to locate your tokenization passport, and now you know what tokenization passport is. Thank you guys, and God bless. For those that are looking to join estate, the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you. God bless.